Every nation dream of power, a power in its army, in its leader, or its resources. But the strongest power any nation can have is peace. In South Sudan, years of fighting have left a scar on both land and people. Thousands displaced, schools destroyed, families separated. Yet, when peace returned, even for a short time, life began to grow again. Peace gives space for progress. It allows farmers to plant, children to learn, and business to rise. It turns weapons into tools and fear into hope. Peace is not a gift from leaders. It is a decision by the people. It began in the heart of every citizen who chooses understanding over revenge. South Sudan has suffered enough to know the value of peace. The future depends on who wins the war. You know, the future does not depend. The future depends not on who wins the war, but on who will build the peace. Please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.